Hello! Welcome back po dito si Angel Francia PH Tarot. Mga madam and sir, kamusta po kayong lahat? I hope na nasa mabuti po kayong kalagayan. So in today's video, kialamin natin Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus placements. Ayan, ano ang magiging kapalaran ninyo sa buwan ng September 2023 na. Oh my God, ilang buwan na lang, magpapasko na. Excited na ba kayo? So, ayan, Libra. Bago ko magsisimula, gusto ko lang i-announce na meron na tayong mga bagong items. Okay? This is, you have the crystal gold-plated bracelet. Ang ganda nito, promise. Okay, galing to ng US. You have the, opal, pink opal. Okay, this is stone. 950 each po yan. May kasamang ritual. Okay? May blessing galing sa akin. Okay? May power po yan. Okay? You have the blue apatite. Okay? Blue apatite. You have the sunstone, dalawa. This is fire agate. Sold na po yan. You have lapis lazuli, dalawa na lang available. You have milky quartz, you have amethyst, tatlo pa. Nag-iisa na lang ating strawberry quartz, sold na yung dalawa. You have the aquamarine, you have the purple rhodonite, ang isa, reserve, and then the rest, ito, reserve. Okay. 950 sa mga interesado. Okay. Hamsa bracelet with evil eye, 700 pesos each. Okay? So, let me know kung may gusto nyong bumili. Again, available pa rin ang ating 2-in-1 financial blockages removal and money spell jar. We have a new item, mga madam. Sino naghahanap ng hustisya? Okay? Sino naghahanap ng, kung may kaaway kayo, at hindi kayo nilulubayan, hindi kayo tinatantanan. Okay? And, ayan. Papakita ko lang sa inyo, mga madam. This is 200 pesos. This is Justice Spell Jar. Okay? Justice Spell Jar, 200 pesos each. Okay? Ang gagawin ninyo, isulat nyo ang pangalan. Okay? 1 person per jar only. Kung tatlo yung kaaway ninyo, ang gusto niyo ng hustisya, okay? Inaalipusta ka, inaabuso, ayan. And gusto mong makarma yung tao, ayan, gusto nyong, andun na rin yung thought na parang, hindi naman sa paghihiganti, no? Pero gusto mo ng hustisya sa ginawa sa'yo. Ni-rape ka, ni-rape yung anak mo, pinatay yung anak mo, sinaksak, and then, parang walang hustisyang nangyari, niloko ka, na-scam ka ng mga taong manluloko. So, maybe you need this. Ilagay nyo yung pangalan dito sa loob. Isulat syempre nyo sa papel na maliit. I-roll yun nyo, tapos ilagay niyo dito. Okay? And then patakan ng white or black candle to habang ginagawa yung ritual na kasama nito pag bumili kayo. And then during the next new moon or full moon, kunin ninyo, tanggalin nyo yung nakasealed na kandila dito, tanggalin nyo yung napatakan na kandila, syempre tatanggalin yan, bubunutin nyo ulit yung papel, okay, na sinulat, nilagay nyo sa loob, and then, ayan, susunugin niyo sa kandila, susunugin niyo sa apoy yung papel na sinulatan niyo ng pangalan, at syempre, may gagawin din kayong, may sasabihin kayong ritual doon. Okay, o diba? 4-in-1 na siya. Protection, justice, spell jar, and then back to sender spell. Kung may ginawa sa'yo na hindi maganda, pwede mong maibalik sa kanila yung ginawa sa'yo. Okay? Niloko ka, na-scam ka, binugbog ka, whatever na masamang ginawa sa'yo. Now, warning, hindi ito magkakabisa kung gusto mo lang gumante ng walang dahilan. Kung galit ka sa tao dahil galit ka lang, nainggit ka, hindi yan mag-work. Mag-work lang to sa mga taong talagang ginawan ng masama. Okay? So, ayan. And it takes time. Okay? So, may gusto ko, message lang kayo, okay? Ma'am, gusto ko ng Justice Bell Jar, 200 pesos each. Okay? Ayan, so, alright. Libra! Okay, Libra. Diba? Naghahanap tayo ng hustisya. Inaaway tayo, nalapusta tayo, hindi naman tayo nakikaalam, okay? Ito, bagay to sa mga chismosa, okay? Removing sa mga chismosa, sa mga taong gusto mo nang lubayan ka, like ayaw mo na silang pinapakailaman ka, o di, yan, pwede to. Okay, 200 pesos each. Alright, Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus placements. Ano ang magiging kapalaran ng ating Libra sa buwan ng September? Paalala lang, this is a general reading, hindi po ito magre-resonate po sa lahat. By the way, mamimigay pala ako, Libra, ng bracelet. Paunahan ng code. Muntik ko nang nakalimutan. Okay? Paunahan ako ng code. Again ha, the way to claim this, kailangan isulat ninyo ang email address ninyo dito sa YouTube, hindi sa Facebook ko. Okay? So, pa-comment ako ng Mine Evil Eye Libra. Paunahan ng comment. Sa unang makakapag-comment ng code, siya ang mananalo. Mine Evil Eye Libra. Okay? Kahit hindi ka Libra, pwede kang sumali. Okay? Ayan. Guys ha, pag ikaw ang napili ko, ikaw yung nanalo, dapat mag-reply ka agad ka dito sa reply ko. Pag sinabi kong ibigay mo sa akin yung email ad, i-type mo dito. Replyan mo ako sa email address mo kasi doon ko ipapadala yung code na number para ma-claim mo to. Kung wala kang binigay sa akin ng email ad, hindi ko to ibibigay. Okay? Kasi paano ko malalaman na ikaw yun? Okay? Alright, Libra. Libra, ano ang kapalaran ng ating Libra? Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus placements. Spirit guides and angels. By the way, sa mga interesado, this is all-in-one powerful necklace. Bato yan. Ding! Ang bato! Oh, ayan, di ba? This is green fluorite stone necklace, 1,050 pesos. All-in-one powerful necklace. Okay? All-in-one na yan, pangkalahatan. Protection, healing, love life, money attraction, abundance, prosperity, pangkalahatan. When we say pangkalahatan, a lot of opportunities, you will attract a lot of opportunities and blessings with this stone. Okay? Alright, Libra, you have the Page of Cups. First week of September, you have the Nine of Wands. You have the Empress. Second week of September, you have the Two of Wands. Four of Pentacles. 10 of Wands. Third week of September, you have the Justice. You have the Seven of Pentacles. You have the Tower. Last week of September, you have the High Priestess. You have the Six of Pentacles. And you have the Chariot. Okay? Overall energy for the month of September, Libra. You have the Queen of Swords. Ano kaya to? Your clear communication expresses what's best for all. A lot of you, Libra, mag-ingat sa mga sinasabi niyo sa September. Yung iba sa inyo makakasakit kayo ng damin dahil sa pananalita ninyo. Yung iba sa inyo masyadong taklesa. Yung iba sa inyo is talagang ipapakita ninyo sa mga tao kung ano yung mga gusto nyong mangyari. Okay? You are very wise. You're very intelligent. Okay? Matalino ka. Matitest yung pagiging matalino, magiging wise ka. A lot of people will find you very wise and smart this September. Okay? And you're not afraid to say what you want to say. A lot of people will realize your power. Okay? You're like the Queen of Swords kasi Queen of Words. Queen of Intellect. Queen of siya yung mga taong magaling sa communication, magaling makipagdebate, hindi natatakot sabihin kung anong gustong sabihin. Siya yung bossy type of person. Okay? Let's see. Paano to? And hindi mo siya maloloko. Queen of Swords, siya yung taong hindi maloloko. Okay? Bago ka pa man gumawa ng kalokohan, malalaman na ng Queen of Swords. Ikaw yan, Libra. Hindi ka maloloko sa buwan na ng September. A lot of you will be smart. You will see through people's bullshit. Makikita mo para bang masisinati mo yung tao kung may magandang intention sa kapwa o hindi. Parang magaling kang kumilatis ng mga tao sa buwan ng September. Makikita mo yung kung sino sila, parang ganon. Kasi yung mga tao, ikaw yung kumbaga, Libra, hindi ka bulag, hindi ka yung nagbulag-bulagan. May mga tao kasing hindi na sila aware na niloloko na sila kasi hindi nila nakikita. Pero ikaw, Libra, hindi ka maloloko. Okay? Unang apak pa lang, alam mo na kung sino yan, alam mo na kung pakay nila, alam mo yan, bago pa man lumabas kung ang mga salita sa bunganga nila, alam mo na, parang alam mo na kung anong sasabihin nila. Kaya alam mo yon, malakas ang intuition mo, especially with the High Priestess being here last week of September. Alright, let's see. Okay, first week of September, Libra. I feel like yung iba sa inyo is magpo-focus lang sa sarili niyo. Okay? But I feel like a lot of you, Libra, you are really vigilant about people who are still trying to parang flirt with you, parang medyo andun yung energy because we have the Nine of Wands. This is you parang protecting yourself, no? And it's like hindi ka talaga nag-give up. You're not giving up to someone. And also, this is you parang if meron mga struggles relationship ninyo, you are more in this energy where Libra, you have this resistance, you have this courage, you have this fortitude, you have this strength na you are more understanding and more sweet than ever. Parang andun yun because we have the Empress. Okay, you are more loving and kind and more, you're not parang andun yung energy na parang you're not someone who hindi ka yung taong madaling sumuko, kumbaga. Sumuko sa tao, sumuko sa ngalan ng pag-ibig, tama ba, with the Page of Cups. Okay? No matter how immature the person that you're dealing with, parang andun yung pagiging mas naiintindihan mo, nandun yung parang mas ano ka sa kanya. Parang ikaw ang umiintindi lagi. First week. This has something to do with your love life, by the way, okay? But for some of you, if you're not dealing with love life or relationship, if you're already married, you're not dealing with this. I feel like you are creating something in your life, something that you love to do with the Page of Cups, something, and you're gonna surprise the world. Libra, you have an idea in your hand. You have an idea that's something you love. You've always loved to do. Alam mo yan? And it's you birthing this idea, birthing this. Okay, you are creating something new in your life this September. Maybe this has something to do with business, an idea that would magbibigay ng malaking kaperahan sa'yo. Okay, because you don't give up. You don't give up on your ideas. You don't give up on hindi ka pa rin tumitigil sa pag-create ng something new, parang something new. The Empress is a card of abundance and success, by the way, so don't give up. That's the message. The universe will gonna surprise you here. There are two cards that screams surprise here, Page of Cups and the Tower. I tell you, Libra, you'll be surprised Okay? The universe is going to surprise you something big in your life. If I were you, I claim this. Now, second week of September, you have the Two of Wands, Four of Pentacles, and a Ten of Wands. See? There's a lot of struggle here, but you still don't give up. You still hold on to your goals and plans. This is you not giving up on your goals and plans, Libra. And this is you, kahit ang dami ng kahit bumibigat na yung maybe pakiramdam, maybe na-stress to the point na malapit ka na ma-stress, but you don't give up. You still hold on to this something because you feel like this would bring you a lot of success and fortune. Ano mo yan? This is energy second week. So maybe this is also an advice that, but also, you don't have to do it alone with this Ten of Wands. This is saying that there's always another way to do something. Okay? If it feels toxic na, you have to let go. Okay? Because you have the Two of Wands here. Believe in your personal power, Libra. Okay? Be bold to take action, and maybe there's another way to solve your problem. Maybe masyado kang nang nagfo-focus sa isang sitwasyon na nakakalimutan mo na, like, for example, I'm gonna give you an example now. There's like door here, doors, and there's another door na parang open. Nag-focus ka sa door na yan kasi yan ang gusto mong tahakan, where in fact, nakalock siya, hindi mo talaga mabuksan-buksan. But there are other doors that maybe is opening for you, Libra. Maybe you're just focusing on something na nadidistract na yung energy mo. Don't waste your energy, because Four of Pentacles, this is you. This is energy. Pentacles is energy. That is money. Okay? Maybe you're too focused on the money, the thing, that situation na yung bagay na yan magbibigay sa'yo ng pera. Maybe nag-focus ka masyado doon, Libra, na parang ito magbibigay to sa akin ng malaking pera, dito lang ako. Parang na-distract ka. When in fact, maybe the universe is giving you an idea. Maybe it's something that you need to see with the Queen of Swords. Maybe this Queen of Swords is saying na you have to see through everything, Libra. There's another way with the Two of Wands. Yan talaga ang parang bumubulong sa akin. Okay? Na kasi hirap na hirap ka na, oh. Parang lahat ginawa mo na, pero parang may something na hindi nag-work. Maybe you have to let go of a certain situation. Maybe this is the time, this is a sign or a confirmation that you have to learn to let go. Because the universe is going to surprise you next. We'll talk about that later. Going to give you something better. You don't have to be the Ten of Wands. Hindi mo kailangang maghirap, Libra. Huwag mong pahirapan ang sarili mo. Okay? Yan ang sinasabi ng gabay. Let go and do something else. Parang ganun. Focus on your energy somewhere else. Parang ganun. Now, we have Justice, Seven of Pentacles, and a Tower. Third week of September. Sa mga naghahanap ng hustisya. But you know what? Other than that, I feel like just when you thought that life is unfair, the universe is going to surprise you, like I said earlier. Okay? You've been waiting for this moment in your life, Libra, na parang, ang tagal ko nang inaantay ito, bakit wala? And then, to the point that second week, parang gusto mo lang mag-give up, no? And then, just when you thought you're ready to give up, the universe is going to surprise you with a Tower. Just when you thought life is unfair, because you've been waiting for this, and then now, andyan yung pera. Bagot na bagot ka na kasi, ang tagal! Andyan na malapit na ako malapit na, bakit hindi pa rin, napaka-unfair naman nito, parang ganan. And then, shala! Third week, I just don't know exactly when, but this is when you realize, third week of September, you realize the situation will start unfolding for you. Ma-realize. Diyan mo na unti-unting makikita. na matutupad na ito na ang inaantay ko. We'll talk about that later. Now, sa mga naghahanap ng hustisya, yung matagal na, let's see, Seven of Pentacles kasi this is a card of waiting and patience, no? Ayan, nag-aantay. This is waiting to accumulate something, to get hold of something. Okay? For some of you, you have been waiting for your justice to be served. And you will. The universe is going to surprise you. I just don't exactly. For some of you, it will happen in September. For some of you, bago matapos tong taon na to. 3 months from now, for some of you. Yung iba, around September, 3rd week. Alright, last week of September, Libra, I love your reading, okay? You have the High Priestess, you have the Six of Pentacles and the Chariot. You know what? You know what I love about this is that last week of September, Libra, you're finally be able to know and to parang hindi ka na mahirapang pumili or mag-decide. You finally be able to have control in yourself regarding your money, finances, kung sino, kanino mo ibibigay, kung saan na pupunta yung pera, kung paano mo i-handle yung money mo. Kasi now, you have the High Priestess. This is all-knowing. Knowing, parang marunong ka ng may accounting ba ang sabi nyo? Mag-audit. Marunong ka nang mag-audit. Marunong ka nang mag-budget. Parang, kasi alam mo na, this is your overall theme kasi, Queen of Swords. Very smart and very wise. Kumbaga, wise ka na kung paano mo i-handle. You'll be able to control your finances. You'll be able to learn how to manage and to control your kaperahan. Because with the High Priestess, alam mo na ang pasikot-sikot, alam mo na ang nagkaroon ka na ng knowledge na kung matalino ka, mas matalino ka pa ngayon. Andun na yun. Naging wise ka na kung kanino ka, parang ang dami mo nang natutunan, na-learn, kumbaga, in the past, in your experiences. Naging wise ka na, kumbaga. Okay? And the good thing is, kaya mo nang kontrolin ang sarili mo. Maybe for some of you, dati-dati, hindi mo makontrol yung pera mo, magugulat ka na lang, wala na, ubos na yung pera. Paano nangyari yun? O, ganun. Magugulat ka lang. Nangyayari talaga yan. Kasi bili, kuha sa wallet, may nakita sa live selling, bili. Pero now, last week of September, you'll be able to control your emotions in dealing with finances. You'll be able to control your money. Alam mo na ay, ayoko nang maubusan na naman ako, may pinag-iipunan ako Ay, ayoko na naman yan kasi ma-scam ako dyan, mabudol ako dyan. Parang ganun. May mag-invest ka dito kasi ganyan, may maghikayat sa'yo. Ay, ayoko, panigurado, scam yan Yung ganon, you'll be able to find control. Because the Chariot talks about success. You have success in the face of difficulty. Whatever difficulties you're going to be facing regarding money, you will magiging successful ka. Okay? Affirm this. Confirm. Okay? If I were you, claim this. Sharing your success, build more success. A lot of word of success, see? You'll be able to know and handle your money well. That way, this is you preparing for parang Christmas, holiday season, kumbaga. It just really makes sense, okay? So anyway, Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs, yan po ang magiging kapalaran ninyo. Let me know in the comments if nag-resonate. And thank you so much. Congratulations sa nanalo. First, only person lang ang lucky winner sa ating bracelet na to. So I'll see you guys next time. Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. God bless, more power, ingat, and paalam!